Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 14 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2530, maximal score after applying k operations. Okay, so this problem is actually very easy. So in this problem you are given a zero indexed integer array nums and an integer k. You have a starting score of 0. Okay, so in one operation you are going to choose an index from your nums array, and you have to increase your score by nums of I, and then we have to replace that particular element with nums of I divided by 3, the seed value of this one. Okay, and in the end we have to just return the maximum possible score you can attain after applying exactly k operations. So k value is given to us, right? The seeding function seed value is the least integer greater than or equal to value. Okay, so this problem is very easy. Okay, so here see this example number 1, k is equal to 5, so we have to apply 5 operations. So max value among them is 10 only, right, everywhere. So pick this 10 first, then this 10, then this 10, then this 10, then this 10. We will get 50. Okay, because after applying this 10 divided by 3, so we will get something around 4, right, if we apply this seal of value. Okay, so but we don't need to use 4 next time because we have to apply 5 operations, then pick the max 5 values na. So among them 5 top value are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, right? So that is why the output is 50. Okay, so you will get a better understanding with this example too. Okay, so I will show you how I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, so this is my nums array and k is equal to 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one priority queue. Okay, this is nothing but my max heap, and in this max heap I'm just going to add all the elements. Okay, so topmost element will come to the top, right? So 10 is going to come to the top, then 3, total 3 times, and then we have 1. Okay, so we have to apply k is equal to 3 operations, right? So for the first operation I'm going to remove this topmost element 10. Okay, and I'm going to use this. Okay, 10, and now updated value of this 10 will become this one, right? 10 divided by 3. Okay, so 10 divided by 3. Okay, and the seed value of this one. Okay, seed value of this one, so it is going to give me 4. Okay, so I will take this 10 in double type. Okay, so that I will get values like this 3 point something. Okay, not exactly 3, but 3 point something. Okay, then when I will do the seed, then I will get 4. Okay, so now after that I need to push this 4 here in my priority queue. Okay, so I did one operation of k already. Okay, so now do the next operation for k. So topmost element from here is 4, right? So just remove this 4. Okay, and we are going to add this 4 here, and now updated value of this 4 is 4 divided by 3. So we will get, so here for this something around 2. Okay, so here we will get 2, and then we have to insert that 2 in my priority queue. Okay, so here 2 will come here somewhere. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then after that we are done with k equal to, now k for 3 operation. Okay, k3. So for 3 we have to just remove this topmost element, so and we need to add it. Okay, then we have to just update 3 divided by 3, so it will give something around 1 only, right? So insert 1, so 1 will come here in the bottom. Okay, this is a maximum. So in the end we have completed all the 3 operations. So what is the total value that we are getting? 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, that's it. So easy, right, using priority queue. So now let's write the code. Just create one priority queue of integers. Pq is equal to new priority queue, and here let's say we have two integers a and b, so I have to sort them like this. Okay, since I need max heap, so here I have to write b minus a. All right. Okay, so now run one for loop. I is less than nums dot length I plus plus, and here pq dot offer nums of I. Okay, and then here run one while loop while my k is greater than 0. Okay, so inside this pick that particular element is equal to pq dot poll. Okay, now after picking that particular element we have to add this element in a sum. Okay, so let's create one variable sum of long type. Okay, we need to return answer in long, right? So long sum is equal to 0. So here sum is equal to sum plus element, and here we have to update this element is equal to int value. Okay, we are converting that to int. Okay, whatever value I'm going to get here, int, and here math dot c, and here double of this element divided by 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, then just add this element in pq dot offer element and decrement the value of k, and in the end just return sum. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing, and the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n log n. Okay, so here for this step of n log n, right, because for n elements we are using pq dot offer log n. Okay, plus of k log k. Okay, okay, thank you, bye bye.